Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel, and this video we are going to make this TV console. As you can see, I have a made already and it's sitting in my movie room area under projector screen. I was looking for something to make can hold my soundbar system and also can decorate my movie room area. So finally I have done this one and I'm going to share with you guys. This TV console contained 4 parts like 2 side boxes and 2 shelves. This totally made out of unwanted office desk was thrown away from somebody. If you guys remember, a couple of months ago I made my flip tool stand, which I have used the same office desk top parts and side boxes were left, so I'm going to use those side boxes as for my TV console side boxes. If you can see, these 2 boxes are opening on the same side, but for my TV console I need an opening door, one for the left hand side, one for the right hand side. So I have to make some adjustment and need to cut. For those one I have to tear all the parts, all the pieces one by one, and then I'm going to make some measurement and cut through my table saw. So now I have all the pieces are in front of me and I make some marking, and then I use my table saw to cut on the length I need. Once I cut all the pieces, then I have first thing to do to make my doors are ready. So I'm going to use the same old piece, old door piece I have a cut away, and door hinge I'm going to make hole through and making as a template. I have a repeat same process with both doors, and I just make sure my hinges are getting fit easily, and once I have it done, then I start putting my boxes together. I use combination of some glue and 18 gauge 1.5 inch nails with my nail gun. I have a repeat same process with both boxes. Once my one side done, then I have used my other side and then the top. But I have a different thought about the top, so I'm not going to fill top like that. I'm just going to put 2 pieces, and one in the front half and one on the back half, and then when I'm going to put top on the box, I will use my brand nails or some screws from the bottom to hold the top, so I'm not going to see any screw holes on the top. I've also used some glues and some clamps to hold it so it can dry and can make a little bit more strong joint. I wait for a couple hours, and now I'm going to close my back side of these boxes. I have a 1/8 inch plywood left over from my other project that I was using for my drawer bottoms, and now I'm going to test my doors, making holes and everything ready before I paint those boxes. Once I have a done paint, so I don't need to worry about the if door fit or not, but I just made sure my doors are working perfectly, and now I'm taking all the screws hinges out and I'm ready to paint both boxes now. For the painting, I'm going to use first I'm going to use interior primer sealer, and then I will use a latex semi-gloss paint. And I'm going to use my air sprayer. I have used 2 coats of my primer and 2 coat of my final semi-gloss acrylic white paint. This whole project take me a couple days to finish because these days are not the sunny days, it's like winter time, and it takes so long time to be dry out the paint. So after one coat I have to wait for whole day to the next day. So I have repeat 4 coats, like 2 primers and 2 final coats. It took me about like 4 days. So this whole project take up to like 1 week to finish. So now I also, for the shelves, I'm going to use 2 plywood pieces already have white painted, and I'm going to use some gray stain to make some kind of a little design. So and when I'm gonna put stain on it, and I have to clean it out so I can see some white surface from the bottom. I never done this one before, but I tried to do first time which one it worked for me. So after a couple tries, and I was trying to not to see if any scratch, like all like one pattern. And once I have done first one, and I was ready for the second one, so both pieces came out really nice. Now time to let them dry for a couple hours. And my shelves are ready, my boxes are already ready for my final coat. So I use same method. I'm going to use my air sprayer, and I'm going to do 2 final coats for my semi-gloss acrylic white paint. So now time to put everything together. Now I'm going to put my door hinges. After the door hinges, we're gonna install door on the boxes. After installing both doors, I made all the necessary adjustment as need to make them open and close easy. Now time to put the top on. For the top on, I just use couple brad nails to hold them. Then I use 4 screws on each box to hold the top, so we don't see any nail holes from the top. Now everything ready to put together. First we are going to install one shelf on each boxes. It's just going to sit inside. After installing 2 shelves inside the boxes, now time to install the middle shelves. I'm just going to let set those boards like that. I'm gonna let the gravity to hold it, but you can also put some screws from the bottom if you just want to. And I'm also going to do something like this, like I'm going to use 2 pieces of boards on both doors as the same color I have in the middle shelves to look a little bit more fancier, and they are going to act as a door handles. As you can see, as I'm putting those pieces, they are like getting scratched already. You can see a little bit of white paint coming from the bottom. Actually my stain is not fully dry because it was not the sunny day outside, but I would like to finish this project. So now this project is done, but if I have this like white area, I will come back and like repainting those. And now this project is ready to enjoy. That's the finished project. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. That's all for today. If you think I have to make some kind of change or anything, you can leave a comment. We thank you for those comments.